Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make and use the electric composter in Icarus. First of all, in the tech tree, tier 4, on the most right side here you will see the electric composter. Go ahead and unlock it. And now we can go to the fabricator, search it up, and here you'll see the materials list, on which you'll need 20 composites, 100 concrete mix, which can be made in the cement mixer from some tree sap, stone, silica ore. Nextly, you'll need some steel ingots, which can be made from steel bloom, which is made in the mortar and pestle, from some iron ore and coal or charcoal. Nextly, you'll need some steel screws, which you can make from one steel ingot, manufacturer or fabricator, or machining bench. Nextly, electronics, you'll need some copper and gold wire, organic resin, and epoxy. On the composites, you'll need to make the composite paste in the material processor from some iron ore, silica ore, organic resin, and gold ore or platinum ore, which is then smelted in the electric furnace to make the composites. So once you've gathered all the materials you'll need, you can go ahead and craft it. Then once you've crafted it, place it on a place you find suitable, and you'll want to connect it to your electricity grid. To use it, you want to use any of these materials, any of these recipes, like wood and tree sap, and place a biofuel can inside of it, and it's going to start storing biofuel inside of it. And for faster production, connect it to a water grid also, which is going to give you 50% crafting speed and minus 5% crafting cost. As you can see, it's filling up the biofuel can with biofuel. So this is pretty much all how to use and how to make the electric composter in Icarus. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.